So what's the importance of preserving animal ecosystems?
Animal ecosystems are incredibly important, not only for the sake of the animals, but for the sake of us that we don't realize. One really excellent example is that literally the Virginia opossum, which is native to our area, they actually, one opossum in one spring-summer season will eat up to 5,000 ticks.
Wow.
In one season. So they help us in more ways than we know. But they're also a balance. So bobcats are balancing the number of rats and squirrels and rabbits that we have in our ecosystem. The rabbits are also controlling how much weed growth and how much, so there's an incredible balance that's happening out there that we need to allow and not disrupt.
Oh, okay. So how does pollution endanger species?
Well, think about what we're giving these animals to eat now that we've moved into the area. So instead of just native grasses, they're getting fertilized grasses or pest-controlled grasses. So how is that going to impact, the health of the basis of the ecosystem? So so the herbivores are where it starts, and and then it moves on up. So that's a very serious thing. Also, prairie dogs are becoming extinct largely because of pollution in this area. So a loss. But everybody's welcome here. So pollution has a great impact on a lot of that. So it does throw off the ecosystem. Also, planting non-native plants that doesn't benefit the local animals in this ecosystem. Also it's better. The bees especially won't pollinate off of some of the non-native. Or a lot of butterflies won't lay eggs on some non-native plants and things. So, or we're not planting enough of the native things that were here before. So
wow, I didn't even think about that.
There's
part.
a lot.
Yeah. Okay, and then my last question, how can the public contribute to saving animals' environment?
Plant more natives. And native plants are also more naturally resistant to pests and things. So you actually reduce the need for fertilizers or pesticides and things like that. Be careful about what you put out. Like if you don't want rats near your home and don't want bobcats near your home, don't put bird feeders near your home, because they like seeds too. And but overall, just trying to make sure that we are recycling more than throwing away. Making sure that we are not putting a lot of chemicals into our water system, and trying to be as natural as possible with our plants and supporting the ecosystem that's here by planting natives is one of the biggest things that could really help.
Well, thank you so much for doing this interview with me.
My pleasure.